Hi educators, my name is Amanda Weiria and I am the Manufacturing Support Manager at Webco Plastics. We are so excited to have you and your students join us virtually as we celebrate Manufacturing Month. In your students' creator kits, you'll find a postcard with several QR codes they can scan with their cell phones, or they can enter the link for our YouTube channel on their computers. 2 of the videos are virtual tours that will walk your students through what we make at Webco Plastics, as well as who we are as a company and what a day in the life of a manufacturer may look like. As well as a video featuring one of our apprentices who would love to tell you about his manufacturing journey from high school right to Webco Plastics. We truly believe that everyone is a creator at heart, and we wanted to inspire your students to get creative. So we issued them a little challenge. We want to see how they make some unique problem-solving decisions, whether it's creating a new product to help you do better tuna fishing, a coffee lid that lets you take a coffee mug onto your boat, or maybe even a grip to make a product safer and easier to hold. They can use the link on the postcard to upload a picture of their creation, maybe a drawing or a rough prototype, or maybe even they have a storyboard they built. And they're going to give us a little bit more information about it. Once all of the students have made their entries, we'll be giving away 3 Amazon gift cards to the most creative inventor, the next generation problem solver, and the biggest out-of-the-box thinker. We will also be offering one lucky student the opportunity to bring their idea to life on our 3D printer at Webco. We are here to support you as you guide and teach the next generation of innovators. If there's anything we can do to support you, please reach out to me directly by emailing me at amanda@webcoplastics.com. We look forward to seeing what your students will create.